welcome back to Eat with Dawn. How is the foodie fam out there doing today? I hope y'all having a marvelous day. You know I am, and you know what I say. And the day above and the under, y'all, it's a blessed day. Now I'm gonna need y'all to help me sing. Come on. We're gonna mukbang. Y'all welcome back to another mukbang eating show. Y'all please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget sharing and scaring, y'all. Share the video. You like them, share them. Alright, so y'all know it's Friday. And we about to get lit up in here because it's Friday. Right? So we chugging on ass. It's my girl favorite. Budweiser. So shout out to Maryland. Damn, I can't open it. Something to help. I can't open it. I can't twist it. My hand. It's all cold on my face. I got my girl Chanel in the house today, y'all. Chanel, say hey. 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 Y'all know who that is. She just did her nails, y'all. So, okay. Shout out. That's her first paid customer. Y'all, okay. So, all right. Let's get started and see what we can do right now. What this gonna do for me. Damn, Chanel, this a lot. What is it? Is this a 40? Is that a 40? Y'all, I don't drink this. I drink Bud Light because, you know, I kick it with my girl sometimes, and this is her drink of choice. But I don't drink this one. Big one. Big ass bottle. I think it is a 40. Can't see for shit. Smoke detector. Y'all, I got chicken in the oven and I got an broiler, so that's what you're hearing. Okay, this video is being interrupted on every which level. Come on. Chug, 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 chug. Woo! Hold up, stay there. I don't want it to, I don't want it to. Oh, wait. That didn't even give me a big old burp. Woo! Charlie Brown. Now I'm gonna be messed up. Woo! This is coming. This ain't doing it. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Ooh, here is nasty. this damn bud.
It's nasty?
Any beer is nasty. Y'all know the one I love because I did it last Friday. This is not mine of choice. Girl, this ain't giving me no burps. Shawty, you gonna have to give me my root beer. I want that little one down there.
You got some root beer down there.
Girl, this just filling me up with a lot of gas bubbles in my belly. It ain't giving me no good burps. Like, really, what's wrong with you? I'm very disappointed in Budweiser. I'm so disappointed. Ain't making me vouch.
Man.
Oof. My belly.
You want me to chug?
You want to chug it?
No.
Chanel, you want to chug? I have another one.
Not no beer.
What the hell you gonna chug?
Take some shots.
She'll take some shots and shots down there. Oh, y'all know it's Friday. We get lit around here. That's all it is. Y'all know. What? Chanel want a shot. She wants a shot. We sipping on some Henny tonight, y'all. Ooh.
There you go.
Yes. Ooh, child. You gotta sit here and chat a little. Wait on it to come up. What happened? Stop paying attention to what's going on down there. Woo. Y'all, it's hot. It is so hot outside. Did you bring the cup?
No, I forgot.
Oh, that's not me chugging on that. That's Chanel on that.
Oh, look at that.
Exactly. I got beer. I got beer.
No.
Oh hell. Y'all. What y'all drinking on? I want to know. Put in the comments down there. I want to know. Everybody, it's Friday evening. What y'all doing? You know, kick back, chill. Y'all, this video gonna be kind of long. Because I'm kind of like, this is a lot.
Yeah.
Shoshana, look. That's your shot. Give me a shot. Give me a little shot.
You put take a shot too.
Right. She acting like she ain't.
Sorry. Excuse me.
Cheers to her chugging this Bud Light.
You do it.
Cheers. And chug.
Yes, honey.
Ooh.
Period.
Ooh. Done.
Period.
Ooh.
You grown? Okay.
On that note, I will see